The Vault. Det lød mega dumt. The Fault in Our Stars. Der er gaver på. Så skal det nok gå. Vi prøver igen.
Ja.
The Fault in Our Stars. By John Green.
Hazel Grace, a young smart girl dying of cancer, meets Augustus Waters, a young smart boy dying of cancer.
Experience the captivating story about these two young lovers as they, in the name of love, fight the inevitable fate, dying by cancer.
Dum dum dum.
Watch as they the music.
Det var bare det måde du sagde med så sten på.
Ja.
Stop.
Watch as they in the mutual journey exchange metaphors.
Their friend goes blind.
They read an imperial imperial affliction.
Du gjorde det.
They read an imperial affliction.
Then gets confused over the ending.
And travels to Amsterdam to find the author.
Just to find out that he is a total dick.
Gets out of the friend zone. I'm going to be gets
Well,
out of
and
the
then, måske skulle du sige, and then finally.
and then finally gets out of the friend zone.
Just to be fucked by cancer once again, which leads to Augustus' death, leaving Hazel Grace behind to deal with her own cancer.
Read the book.
Read it now!
Ja,
Now! Stop up there.